If you're preparing for the Google Generative AI Leader certification, understand this first. This is not a coding exam, and it's not about building models from scratch. The certification focuses on how leaders and decision makers understand, adopt, and responsibly deploy generative AI across real business environments. In this video, we're not reviewing theory alone. We'll walk through 5 realistic exam-style scenarios that test your ability to evaluate generative AI use cases, understand business impact, and apply responsible AI principles. Exactly the kind of thinking the Google Generative AI Leader certification is designed to measure. Question number 1. A global enterprise wants to deploy a generative AI solution to automate internal knowledge retrieval. Leadership is concerned about hallucinations and inaccurate outputs. What is the most effective architectural approach? Option A. Fine-tune a large language model on internal PDFs only. Option B. Increase model temperature to encourage more detailed answers. Option C. Use prompt engineering alone to restrict responses. Option D. Implement retrieval augmented generation, RAG, with enterprise search grounding. Option A is correct, because explainability and auditability are core components of responsible AI in regulated industries. Logging interactions and preserving traceable source attribution ensures compliance with financial regulations and internal governance standards. Question number 2. An organization plans to integrate generative AI into customer support workflows. Executives require measurable ROI within 6 months. What should leadership prioritize first? Option A. Selecting the largest available foundation model. Option B. Defining clear business KPIs aligned to customer support metrics before deployment. Option C. Expanding AI use cases across all departments simultaneously. Option D. Reducing governance controls to accelerate implementation. Option B is correct because generative AI leadership requires business-driven alignment. Establishing measurable KPIs, such as resolution time reduction or cost per ticket, ensures value realization and executive accountability. Question number 3. A company operating in regulated industries wants to ensure responsible AI deployment. What governance action is most aligned with best practices? Option A. Rely entirely on the model provider's compliance certifications. Option B. Deploy AI solutions first and adjust governance later. Option C. Establish an AI governance framework, including risk assessments, transparency policies, and human oversight. Option D. Disable logging to protect user privacy. Option C is correct because responsible AI requires proactive governance structures that address fairness, accountability, transparency, and compliance. Leadership must implement oversight and risk mitigation before scaling deployment. Question number 4. A marketing department wants to generate personalized content using generative AI. However, leadership is concerned about brand consistency and misinformation. What is the most appropriate mitigation strategy? Option A. Implement human-in-the-loop review and structured brand guidelines within prompts and workflows. Option B. Allow unrestricted AI content generation for creativity. Option C. Remove all model guardrails to improve flexibility. Option D. Use only open-source models without governance controls. Option A is correct because combining structured prompts, brand governance, and human review ensures quality control and reputational protection. Leadership-level AI strategy emphasizes augmentation rather than full automation. Question number 5. A multinational organization must comply with data residency regulations when deploying generative AI globally. What is the most appropriate strategy? Option A. Centralize all AI processing in one global region. Option B. Anonymize all data and ignore local residency rules. Option C. Rely solely on contractual agreements with the AI provider. Option D. Configure region-specific data processing aligned with local regulatory requirements. Option D is correct because data sovereignty and regulatory compliance require region-aware processing and storage strategies. Leadership must ensure AI solutions align with local legal frameworks. For complete exam preparation, visit certshero.com, where you'll find high-quality practice questions, exam simulations, and expert-designed study materials to help you pass with confidence.